Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share 7 budget-friendly ways through which you can make your bedroom look high-end. The first step to a high-end bedroom is to declutter and organize. We use bedrooms every single day, and an organized bedroom will feel more high-end than a cluttered one. What I personally do from time to time is that I set aside some time for decluttering, and I literally ask myself how many times have I used this particular item in the last year or maybe 8 months. If the answer is none, I will donate it or sell it if it's still in the good condition. When that's done, organize the remaining things with the baskets, boxes, and trays to keep everything in place. For surfaces like nightstands and dressers, keep them clutter-free because nightstands are one of those things where stuff piles up real fast, and before you know it, it feels like too much. If you're thinking to reach out every day like perfume bottles and products, you can style them in trays and baskets and make it look all very intentional instead of scattered and messy. So it instantly lifts the look of your room, which will add style and make it organized. You guys, the first thing I do when I wake up is make my bed because it gives a sense of organization. Even if you don't have time to tidy the whole room, a neatly made bed instantly makes the space feel more put together. Upgrading your bed doesn't have to cost a lot. I like to stick to simple, neutral colors like white, beige, and grey. I feel like it makes the room easier to match with furniture and decor and makes it feel like more high-end. And you guys, layering is the key to high-end look. So add a duvet, a cozy blanket, and a mix of throw pillows. Even just dripping a blanket at the foot of the bed can significantly elevate the look. It's such a simple thing, but if your bed is well made, it will set the tone and make the room look luxurious. A statement rug is another way to make your bedroom look more high-end. Rugs are not only practical, they add warmth and softness underfoot. They also tie the room together by anchoring the furniture. By adding a statement rug, you can create a more cohesive and inviting look. I always consider 3 factors when I'm choosing a rug: size, style, and placement. The rug should be large enough to extend beyond the bed on all sides. That will create a balance in the room, but not so big that it overwhelms the room. By the way, if you visit Dubai, Global Village is the place where you buy rugs. You have all the variety from handmade Persian rugs to beautiful North African styles. You can literally find something unique at a very reasonable price. Just make sure you know your dimensions and you have color scheme in your mind. Otherwise, be open-minded and you'll be surprised yourself. Now, something that's often forgotten is the statement art. If you are redecorating your room, make sure you add a statement piece, something that will tie together your color scheme. Art and decor are what makes a bedroom feel personal and thoughtfully designed. Statement pieces not just fill up your empty walls. They will help expand the look of your walls and show off your style. You could hang pieces right behind your bed, your nightstands, and you can finish it off with the picture lights and create that wow effect. Small details like hardware and accessories can completely change the look of your bedroom. Updating the handles on your furniture is such an easy and affordable way to make it look new and high-end. You can swap out old drawer knobs with modern options like matte black or brass. Just make sure to keep the color scheme consistent throughout the room. You guys, adding stylish accessories like decorative trays, jewelry organizers, or a unique lamp base is another way to alleviate your space. They are really functional and help you keep your space tidy and chic. There is something I always notice in hotels that they have always layered window treatments. Like instead of putting one set of curtains up, they will have roller shades, blinds, and sheers so that you can control as much as you can, as it helps soften the space, add privacy, and make it feel more polished and put together. But for bedrooms, I love the idea of having at least 2 types of window treatments so that you can filter light and you can have something that can block the light. For curtains, go for floor-length styles. They instantly make your ceiling look higher. That's it, you guys. I hope you liked today's video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.